me, shaking my soul, to the masses, writing my poems and a few. They look at me, took me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain. Taking my message from the pain, speaking my lesson from the pain, seeing the beauty for the pain.